Hey Kamiranda, thank you for completing our beginner course. At this time, I would like to invite you to scroll naman to our intermediate course. Sure. Ito naman Kamiranda, pagkatapos ng beginner course kung saan natuto ka ng how to deposit, how to earn money, how to earn private passively in OKX, etc. Or I'm gonna be inviting you naman to learn ano yung mga basics ng Golden Cross in MACD, Relative Strength Index, Convergence Divergence, and yung charting demo of MACD mga kameranda. Ito po yung ating intermediate na free course. Ngayon naman po, kung gusto niyo naman po talagang ituloy na ang inyong journey to learn more about cryptocurrency, I would like to invite you to go to our website, www.globalmirandaminor.com. Punta po kayo sa aming courses. Please choose our bundled course. And from there, pwede niyo matutunan ang mga system natin using our bundled packages, mga kameranda. I will encourage you to invest on learning this 2024. And bakit ba ito merong bayad, kameranda? Itong parte na kasing ito ay this is where we teach our system, and naniniwala ako that by investing yourself, you're going to give time and allocate time para talaga matutunan mo ito. Naniniwala ako, kameranda, that if I give this to you for free, baka baliwalain mo ito or you don't want to give time anymore because you could always get this naman for free, mga kameranda. It's really optional for you and I hope that you can consider this in your future journey, mga kameranda. On that note, maraming salamat po and I hope you continue to enjoy our learning. Kung di pa ready sa ating course fees, you can always listen and follow me here in our YouTube channel for more learnings in trading. Salamat po and I love you 3000.
Subscribe, like, follow, and share. Sige na please, Kamiranda.